Side hustles used to mean juggling part-time gigs or selling things door to door. Now, all you need is an idea and access to ChatGPT. From writing to consulting to content creation, AI is unlocking new income streams that weren't possible even 2 years ago. Today, we're diving into real, practical ChatGPT-powered side hustles you can start today. No coding, no investment, no experience required. First up, freelance writing. With ChatGPT, you don't need to be a seasoned writer to offer content. Use prompts to generate blog posts, email newsletters, and social media captions. Edit the AI's output for tone and clarity, then deliver to clients. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with people looking for fast, readable copy, and ChatGPT gives you the speed edge they'll pay for. YouTube script writing is another fast-growing market. Channels need constant content, and many outsource their scripting. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts for finance explainers, true crime, health tips, or commentary. Offer different tones: educational, cinematic, humorous. ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting. You bring the creativity. Some writers earn $50 to $200 per script. Next, AI content repurposing. Businesses often create one piece of content and let it sit. You can turn their blog post into a Twitter thread, a LinkedIn post, a YouTube script, and a newsletter using ChatGPT. Charge clients for content expansion and become a repurposing specialist. It's a low-competition gig that delivers real value, and you don't even need to write from scratch. Resume and cover letter services are in demand. People struggle with how to present themselves on paper. With ChatGPT, you can generate personalized, impactful resumes and job applications in minutes. Just plug in the client's info and tailor the output. Offer it as a premium service, quick, high quality, and career boosting. Sites like Contra or LinkedIn are great places to start. Try product description writing. E-commerce sellers constantly need new listings on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify. ChatGPT can generate SEO-optimized, engaging descriptions based on short item summaries. You can sell bundles 10 descriptions for $50, for example, and help small businesses boost their conversions. It's repetitive work made easy with AI. Social media management is another powerful side hustle. Use ChatGPT to create weekly content calendars, caption templates, and growth strategies. Combine it with scheduling tools like Buffer or Later. Offer to run Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok accounts for clients, especially local businesses. They'll love the automation and consistency you bring with AI's help. Email marketing is still king in online business. Use ChatGPT to craft welcome sequences, promotional blasts, and abandoned cart emails. You can charge a premium to create high-converting campaigns. Offer packages: 5 email flows for $150, 10 for $250. The businesses save time, and you get scalable income without writing everything from scratch. What about chatbot design? Many companies want automated customer service, but don't know where to begin. With ChatGPT, you can help build conversation flows for chatbots, answering fax, booking appointments, or filtering leads. Tools like ManyChat or Tidio let you plug in your content and go live. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button. It helps more creators see how they can start with AI too. Great for digital agencies or Shopify stores needing 24/7 customer care. Ebook creation is a hidden gem. Use ChatGPT to write short ebooks, guides, how-tos, niche insights, and sell them on Amazon KDP or Gumroad. You don't need 100 pages. Even 20 to 30 well-written pages can become a source of passive income. Add value with your own research, layout, and formatting, and you've got a product that sells while you sleep. Tutoring with AI support is also viable. Offer online tutoring or coaching, but use ChatGPT in the background to generate practice questions, explanations, and summaries. Whether it's English, science, or test prep, AI becomes your assistant while you focus on the human connection. Parents and students love how efficient and customized it feels. Niche blogging is still alive if done smart. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm blog ideas, draft posts, and improve SEO. Pick a niche you enjoy: minimalism, pet care, finance. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. The trick? Use AI to consistently post 2 to 3 high-quality articles per week. building traffic and authority over time. Course creation is easier than ever. Use ChatGPT to plan course outlines, generate lesson scripts, and even quiz questions. Then film your own lessons or turn them into text-based formats. Sell your course on platforms like Teachable or Gumroad. AI helps you create once and sell forever, a classic digital asset side hustle. Voiceover side hustles are rising. Combine ChatGPT-generated scripts with AI voices like 11 Labs. Create podcast episodes, audiobooks, explicable videos, or meditation guides. Sell the finished audio online or offer it as a freelance service. The combo of AI writing and AI voice means you can produce professional content fast. Script editing and polishing is underrated. Many people use AI to write, but they want a human to clean things up. Offer editing services where you take AI-generated drafts and refine them fixed tone, grammar, flow, and structure. It's a valuable bridge between raw AI output and polished work. Use Grammarly and Hemingway Editor alongside ChatGPT for best results. Presentation design is another fast win. Use ChatGPT to generate slide outlines and talking points, then build polished decks in Canva or PowerPoint. Target students, professionals, and small businesses who need impactful presentations but don't have time. Quick turnaround and clean visuals make this a highly valued service. AI prompt engineering is emerging fast. Businesses don't just want AI, they want it used well. Offer services to design custom prompts that help them write better emails, generate reports, or solve problems faster. This works especially well if you've used ChatGPT a lot and know how to get great responses. Market this as productivity consulting. Combine multiple skills into micro-agencies. For example, start a YouTube scriptwriting plus voiceover plus thumbnail design agency. Or offer email marketing plus landing page copy plus blog repurposing. With ChatGPT and other AI tools, you can deliver multiple services solo or with a small AI-savvy team. Scale smarter, not harder. The key is action. Don't overthink it. Pick one idea from this list, set up your workflow, and start experimenting. The faster you test, the faster you learn. ChatGPT gives you speed, support, and creative backup. But you're the one driving the vision. With AI, your income isn't limited by location, experience, or hours in a day. It's limited only by how creatively you use the tools. ChatGPT is your partner in creation, your editor, and your brainstorm buddy all in one. Don't just consume content, start making it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more side hustle ideas and AI-powered strategies. Got a ChatGPT hustle of your own? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to feature it in a future video. Until then, stay smart, stay creative, and hustle with AI.